Well, we boarded the Westerdam yesterday, and one of the first things we like to do is we like to go to the fitness center and do a quick video so we can do the video without anybody in there exercising. So we're going to go ahead and roll that one now. Has a nice selection of dumbbells up to 75 pounds. 2 different weight benches, 1 sit-up bench, a couple different rowing machines, a random elliptical on this end, and then a long row of 9 treadmills that all face the very front of the ship, so I kind of like that part of it. As we continue on down to my left right now, there are a couple seated bicycle machines. They did have dry towels plus some wet towels available. There's only a water fountain, so I do recommend that you bring a water bottle when you come down here. There are no cups. There is a cable machine to the left. There are a set of bicycles for a spin class, and there's a leg press. Moving on down, this is the Smith machine again. There is a shoulder press, there is a lat pull down, there's a chest press, there is a couple more leg machines here, there is a tricep extension machine and a bicep machine, and there's also a very large space for the classes. So that was your fitness center on the Holland America Westerdam.
Yeah. So a quick note about the classes, putting the schedule right here. There is a class pass that you can purchase. Right now, that price is $99. It is only good for 14 days, 2 weeks. Doesn't matter how long your cruise is. So it looks like it's a voyage pass, but it's not. So 2 weeks. So you would have to renew that throughout your cruise if you're going to be on board longer. All the classes that are listed with a price up here are included in that class pass as many times as you want to go. There are a fair amount of free offerings you can see as well on that schedule. So you'll just have to look at how many port days do you have as to whether the class pass is actually going to make sense to you. Otherwise, you'll pay the $20 in class. Lastly, I just want to make a comment that the classes have been different every time. So if you do a yoga class one day and you do a yoga class 2 days later, it has been different, which is absolutely fantastic. The instructor is basing the content on not only the conditions at sea, but what he feels the class can handle. So that is differentiator for Holland America, and have been very happy with that.
Yeah, so we have another video on the Oceana Regatta, which we did another fitness center video. So if you want to see that one, it's up next. Otherwise, we will continue to do these as we board new ships.
Thank you.